The giant panda Ailuropida melanoleuca is a fascinating bear species endemic to China. Let's delve into its classification. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Mammalia. Order Carnivora, within which there are 15 families. Family Ursidae bears. Despite belonging to the order Carnivora, the giant panda has a unique dietary preference. It is primarily a folivore, with over 99% of its diet consisting of bamboo shoots and leaves. Occasionally, wild pandas may consume other grasses, tubers, or even small amounts of meat. In captivity, their diet can include honey, eggs, fish, yams, shrub leaves, oranges, and bananas. Interestingly, the giant panda has often served as China's national symbol and has appeared on Chinese gold panda coins since 1982. Its conservation status has improved over the years, and it is now classified as vulnerable. The giant panda Ailuropida melanoleuca inhabits bamboo forests in the mountains of central China. These forests provide the perfect environment for pandas, with their cool and wet conditions. Wild pandas are typically found in remote, mountainous regions, and they may even climb as high as 13,000 feet to feed on higher slopes during the summer season. However, due to expanding human populations and development, the giant panda's habitat has become increasingly restricted. Currently, they are confined to around 20 isolated patches of bamboo forest in 6 mountain ranges within China's Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu provinces. These areas are crucial for their survival, and conservation efforts are essential to protect these charismatic creatures and their unique habitat. The giant panda Ailuropida melanoleuca inhabits bamboo forests in the mountains of central China. These forests provide the perfect environment for pandas, with their cool and wet conditions. Wild pandas are typically found in remote, mountainous regions, and they may even climb as high as 13,000 feet to feed on higher slopes during the summer season. However, certainly, panda politics is a captivating blend of diplomacy, conservation, and soft power. Let's explore this intriguing topic. Panda diplomacy. Definition: Panda diplomacy refers to the practice of sending giant pandas from China to other countries as a tool of diplomacy and wildlife conservation. Historical context: From 1941 to 1984, the Chinese government gifted pandas to other nations as a symbol of goodwill and friendship. Policy change: Since 1984, pandas have been leased rather than gifted due to a policy shift in the People's Republic of China, PRC. Diplomatic gesture: These cuddly ambassadors serve as a diplomatic tool, bestowed on deserving partners as a gesture of friendship and cooperation. The dual role of pandas. Political symbol: Pandas are not only adorable creatures but also powerful symbols of China's global influence. They represent the nation's soft power and are often used in international relations. Conservation icon: Simultaneously, pandas are icons of conservation. Their endangered status highlights the need for wildlife protection and habitat preservation. Tension: There exists a tension between their role as political symbols and their significance in conservation efforts. The panda embodies both China's power and its commitment to environmental stewardship. Impact on receiving countries. Zoos and visitors. Receiving zoos benefit from panda loans, as these charismatic animals serve as major drawcards for visitors. Friendship and diplomacy. Hosting pandas is seen as a sign of friendship and a way to strengthen diplomatic ties with China. In summary, pandas are not just adorable creatures. They are also diplomatic envoys, bridging nations and promoting goodwill while reminding us of the urgent need to protect our planet's biodiversity. Panda politics is a captivating blend of diplomacy, conservation, and soft power. Let's explore this intriguing topic. Certainly. Panda conservation is a remarkable endeavor that yields significant benefits beyond the adorable pandas themselves. Let's explore the financial aspects. Cost of panda conservation. The cost of panda conservation efforts, including maintaining panda reserves and protecting their habitat, amounts to approximately $255 million per year. Value of panda conservation. Scientists have demonstrated that panda conservation is worth approximately $2.6 to $6.9 billion every year. This value extends far beyond the pandas themselves. Here's why. Umbrella species. The panda serves as an umbrella species, meaning its protection benefits other species and ecosystems within its habitat. Ecosystem services. Panda reserves provide essential services such as managing water runoff, retaining sediment, sequestering carbon, and more. Cultural significance. Pandas hold immense cultural and intrinsic value. By 2010, the value of ecosystem services provided by pandas and their reserves had increased significantly. Economic impact. The panda's presence attracts tourists, generates revenue for local communities, and contributes to China's soft power. The benefits of panda conservation far exceed the costs, making it a worthwhile investment for society and nature at large. In summary, while the financial commitment to panda conservation is substantial, the returns in terms of environmental protection, cultural significance, and economic impact are even greater. Certainly. The giant panda, Ailuropida melanoleuca, is an intriguing creature when it comes to its diet and digestion. Let's explore how pandas manage to survive primarily on bamboo. Carnivorous digestive system. Despite being herbivores, pandas retain a digestive system typical of carnivores. Their stomach is simple, lacking the specialized compartments found in herbivores like cows. Unlike cows, which have four-chambered stomachs to efficiently digest plant material, pandas have a short intestine and a relatively simple stomach. This carnivore-like digestive system is not well suited for breaking down the tough cellulose in bamboo. Bamboo consumption. Pandas spend a significant portion of their day eating bamboo, up to 14 hours. However, despite their massive bamboo intake, up to 12.5 kilograms or 27.5 pounds of leaves and stems daily, they can only digest about 17% of it. Their inefficient digestion necessitates long feeding hours and conserving energy through 12 hours of sleep. Gut bacteria and energy extraction. The panda's gut microbiota is more similar to that of carnivores than herbivores. They lack the necessary gut flora to efficiently extract energy from fibrous plant material. As a result, pandas struggle to derive maximum nutrition from bamboo. Evolutionary mystery. Giant pandas evolved from bears that ate both plants and meat. Around 2 million years ago, they shifted exclusively to bamboo consumption. The exact trigger for this dietary shift remains unclear, perhaps the relative abundance of bamboo or the lack of available prey. Interestingly, pandas lost the gene responsible for the savory umami taste receptor, which likely contributed to their disinterest in meat. In summary, pandas are remarkable creatures that defy expectations. Their survival on a bamboo diet, despite their carnivore-like digestive system, highlights the delicate balance of adaptation and evolutionary quirks.